Hello viewers, this is Too Fast here. In today's video, I will be installing a new set of LED lights for the fog light on this Nissan Pathfinder. Now currently I already have a set of LED lights installed, but I noticed these LED lights do put out some glare, and on occasion I do have oncoming traffic flashing their lights at me. Here's a look at the new set of LED lights that I'll be installing. This one I have here is from the company WinPower. Now the nice thing about the design of these LED lights is they have matched the LED chip placement to the same dimension as the filament you'll find in a halogen bulb. By doing this, you'll get the best light output in a reflector housing without having so much glare. Also, another thing I like about these WinPower LED light design is it's very compact, which makes installation very easy in most vehicles. So right now I'm going to go ahead and remove the existing LED lights, and I'll give you a side-by-side look between the old one and the new one. Here's a side-by-side look of the two LED lights. The one on the left is the one I just pulled out. The one on the right is a new LED light from WinPower. Now both lights have an aluminum body, but the WinPower light, as you can see, is much more compact. It uses a turbine fan at the bottom right here. Also, with the design of the WinPower LED light, if you compare this to a regular halogen H11 bulb, you'll see the placement of the LED chip is exactly where the filament would be on the halogen bulb. This allows the light output to have a similar beam pattern that you would find with a halogen bulb. So let's go and install this right now. So I've gone ahead and installed the LED lights. On the driver's side, it's very simple. You can reach from the engine compartment down to where that light is. Now on the passenger side is a tighter fit, but it's doable. You just got to make sure you don't lose the factory connector, because if that connector drops to the bottom, it's hard to pick it up. Here's a look at the light installed. Now let's turn it on so you can see what they look like. Let me show you these fog lights at night. So far I'm really happy with the performance of these WinPower LED lights. They work really well as fog lights on this Nissan Pathfinder. They definitely don't put out as much glare as the other set of lights I had before, but at the same time it's still able to illuminate the area directly in front of the vehicle while I'm driving. Now I did not mention earlier the bulb size for the fog light on this vehicle is H11, and this bulb size is commonly used for headlights and fog lights. So if you're interested in getting this set of lights, I will include the link in the description below. I hope you enjoy watching this video. And don't forget to click on thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.